Hello guys, in this session I'll be going to start about one of the very important features of JDK 1.8, that is static method. So this is the enhancement, we can say, static methods. Okay, so let's talk about it. What is static method? So as you've seen guys, we can declare the static methods. We have seen the static method inside the classes as well. Okay, by using the static modifier we can declare the static methods. So you also know this point as well. Okay, but now have you heard about it? Can we declare these methods inside the interfaces? No. But okay, no, but from JDK, from Java 1.8 onwards, 1.8 onwards, we can able to declare the static methods inside the interfaces. Okay, inside the interfaces. Okay, we can able to declare the static methods inside the interfaces. Then why they added this enhancement? What is the issue they are facing in older versions? So that issue is that whenever we, the main intention of this static methods are to define the general utility methods. So what is the use of the static methods? To define the general utility method, utility methods. Okay, then why can't we create the class, utility class, and create add that static method inside that class? Why we can't do that, or why we change that approach here now? Okay, so to change that approach, okay, to change that approach, whenever we declare, we define that utility method, utility static method. Okay, then if we declare utility static method inside the class, okay, let's understand the statement. If we declare utility static method inside the classes, then okay, then this is very costly. This is very costly to load these classes, okay, and create these classes. This is a main issue we were facing in a older version. To overcome this issue, so they have added this enhancement. Now JDK 1.8 onwards, we can declare that utility methods inside the interface. So there is one rule. Okay, there is one rule. So what is that? If everything is static, okay, if everything is static, we should go for the interface. Okay, to avoid this, okay, to avoid these things, to costly and all things, if everything is talking about static, so inside that class we added all methods static. That means our class is talking about the static only. Then in that case, instead of going to class, go to the interfaces. Okay, go to the interfaces. So from the JDK 1.8, so we can define the static methods inside the interfaces as well. So as per this discussion. Now let's come to the point, another point. There are other point as well. So let's create one interface here. Let me create one interface, that name is test, and let me add one static method like public static. Let me return something, and let me do some utility, that is in sum and all things. Suppose I'll be going to do some add operation as a part of this utility. Let's accept the two parameter, int a comma int b something. Okay, let's return the a plus b. Okay, now let's format this. Now let me write another one utility, so that returns the multiplication of two numbers. Let's return the multiplication of two numbers. Now see, So I have defined the one interface and I have added this two. That's it. Okay. Then the question is that how to, okay, see, question is that how to call these methods here. How to call these methods. Yeah, to call this method we have to use the interface name. Suppose, see, I'll be going to call these methods. I can do like test dot. You can see if I press dot here, then I got these two methods. You can directly access this method, utility method. I'll be going to add 10 plus 20, get the result and print that result. Let me print that result. Add. Again, let me call the multiplication 10 into 20, 20, get the result, multiplication result and print the result. Okay, and now execute this class. Lambda tutorial class executed. Oh, so what it is saying, unsupported version. Okay, unsupported version GVM. So let me change the configuration here to 11 because something went wrong. I am using, earlier I am using 11, so it won't support it. Okay, see, now see, if you can check here. So I added the addition. I call this add method utility method by using the interface name, and I call this multiplication method by using this interface name. So how to call this method utility method from the static methods? So yeah, by using the interfaces we can call this static methods. Okay, now let's talk about the one more point. Can we, so you see, we are able to write the static method inside the interfaces. Now the question is that can we add this, or can we add the static methods inside the interface? Yeah, we can. So can we use the main method? As you know, main method is a static method like public static void main. Yeah, definitely we can able to use this or static main method inside the interface. So let me perform some changes here. No, yeah, I'll going to keep all this and just change this interface. Now execute. See, correct? So all things working fine. See, we can able to add the static method inside the interfaces. Yeah. See, so that is the main concept of the static methods. How to add the static method. So mainly this, for the static method syntax is same. So you can add the public static int and all things. So no need to perform any changes inside the syntax of the static method. So that's all about the static method, guys. Thank you. Keep watching this session, guys. So this is very helpful to you guys. Thank you.